subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Poco has launched its new mid-range phone under X series globally called Poco X3 NFC, and it is the successor to the Poco X2 smartphone that was launched in February this year. Talking about the specifications, the Poco X3 NFC features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10 and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the newly launched Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G chipset paired with Adreno 618 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is expandable up to 256GB via hybrid SIM card slot. In terms of camera, the Poco X3 NFC features a quad camera setup on the rear at the top center that includes a 64MP main camera with Sony IMX682 sensor plus 13MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 119° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The quad-ray cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. At the front, it has 20MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with MIUI 12 skin on top, and it houses a massive 5160 mAh battery that supports 33 watts fast charging. For gaming, the company has added Game Turbo 3.0 technology, and it also has Liquid Cool Technology 1.0 Plus that helps to reduce the phone temperature in extreme conditions. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP53 compliant for splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.3 by 76.8 by 9.4 mm and it weighs around 215 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Poco X3 NFC has been priced for 6GB plus 64GB storage variant at €229, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at €269, and it is now available for purchase in cobalt blue and shadow grey color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco X3 NFC smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.